This machine is a Stero, and the model is an SD2 RA. It's a straight-through door type machine. And again, we want to show you how the probe and probeless connections are made to this machine with the Digiset or the MicroPro. If we come up inside to the control box, this machine has an automatic fill feature. So, and our connection for our rinse is right here, coming in from the rinse solenoid, so it's very easy to identify the orange and purple wire. So these two wires are going to go to our rinse signal. And then for our constant power, so our Digiset is on all the time, we can see that our incoming connection for power is right here for our 220 volt. Or we can go to the contactor, so we'll have 220 volts here. This can go as our power into the dispenser to light the Digiset. And then if we're in probe mode, we just need to go to the T side of the contactor, and when the machine starts the cycle, we'll have power on the T side for the probe operation for 45 seconds, and then on the purple and orange wire to the rinse signal for 15 seconds to operate in probe mode. So our wires would come from line 1, line 2 for our main power to the dispenser, T1 and T2 to the detergent signal, and from our orange and purple wire for the rinse signal. Now, if I want to hook this machine up as a probeless operation, I'll make all the conversions in the Digiset or the MicroPro, as I always do. And I will power the dispenser from line 1 and line 2, just like I do for probe. I no longer require my connection for T1 and T2. I'll just hook up the orange and purple wire to my rinse signal. And when the machine goes through its initial fill, I'll turn the switch on. It flips back. That will energize the cube relay inside the machine, and the machine will continue to fill until the float is closed. And it will go through the same sequence as the AM14 and the AM12 with an initial charge after 30 seconds and the recharge at the beginning of each rinse cycle.